What's the meaning of alienate? Alienate. 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 Alienate.
The term alienate refers to the act of causing someone to feel isolated or estranged from something or someone they once felt close to. When someone is alienated, they experience feelings of separation and disconnection that can lead to a breakdown of communication and trust. The person may become emotionally distant and withdraw from social interactions. Additionally, alienation can cause feelings of sadness, depression, and alienation from society. Overall, the result of alienation is a feeling of loneliness and a lack of connection with others.